auto policy includes 3 coverage types. Your homeowner's insurance policy includes 4. The first is dwelling, which is the home itself and any attached structures such as a garage. The next is personal property, which is all of your belongings inside and outside the home, everything from furniture and art to jewelry and clothing. Next is liability. This will cover the cost of anyone who gets injured while at your home. And finally, loss of use. Loss of use coverage covers any cost you need to incur because your home needs to be repaired or rebuilt. This could be due to a natural disaster like a forest fire or faulty electrical, for example. If you are not yet a homeowner and rent, you do have the option of renter's insurance. Some landlords will actually make you sign up for it as part of signing the lease. The only coverage type under renter's insurance is personal property. Since you do not need to live in an apartment during loss of use, you have the option to go somewhere else. Liability is covered under the landlord's insurance, and you don't own the structure, so you don't have to insure the structure. Also, if you are a homeowner, it's worth noting if you have a mortgage on the home, you will be required to show proof to the bank that you have an active insurance policy.